This is a restaurant quality recipe for wok stir-fried tiger prawns, served with lots of vegetables. You can make this tasty dish right in the kitchen of your own home. So of course you have to support the Chinese restaurants in your local area, but you can make this at home. Preheat your wok or pan at medium to medium-high heat. Add your cooking oil. Here I'm using 3 tablespoons of peanut oil. Add a tablespoon of chopped ginger and give that a quick stir fry. So next we add the aromatics. Here I'm using slivered celery. So give the celery a quick stir fry. So next we add the vegetables that take the longest to cook. Here I have sliced zucchini. The zucchini takes a little longer to cook, so we'll put that in first. Then you add other vegetables that you want to put in. So the broccoli I boiled in water for a minute or two. And give the broccoli a quick stir fry with the zucchini. And add some slivered carrots if you like for color. So you can add some salt if you like. I use sea salt, so I'll put a half teaspoon of sea salt in there. I like light soy sauce, so I'll put 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. This is also known as regular soy sauce. And just to help steam the veggies, I put a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of water or chicken broth. And finally, I add my favorite sauce, the Chinese oyster flavor sauce. So I put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this special sauce for added flavor. So give that a final quick stir fry and cook the veggies to the texture that you like. And set aside the vegetables. Preheat your pan or wok to medium-high to high heat. You want to get a good sear for your prawns. So add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil again using the peanut oil. And then put in your prawns. Spread them out so they can cook evenly. Now add a tablespoon of chopped ginger. So these tiger prawns don't need very much time to cook, so give it a quick stir fry. To make the sauce, add a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of water, or you can use chicken broth, and bring that to a boil. To thicken the sauce, make a slurry of 1/3 cup of water with a tablespoon of cornstarch and gradually add to thicken the sauce. For added color, add 1/3 cup of sliced green onions. There you have it, a restaurant quality tiger prawn stir fry with vegetables that you can make and enjoy at home. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.